It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday evening. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather tomorrow changing. Clouds come in. Maybe a shower in spots tomorrow afternoon. The next decent rain event most likely will come on Sunday. Hey, check it out. Weather looking good today. What a contrast from a year ago. In the middle of the snow jam, snowmageddon, snowpocalypse, whatever you call it. Nothing but sunshine today. That's the Skycam coming from Tuscaloosa. On the other side of the state, that's our Skycam at Chehaw State Park. Pretty much cloudless there. And downtown Jasper, bathed in sunshine on this late January day. The blizzard in the northeast is over. Trough rotating off the Atlantic coast. We have a dry northwest flow aloft. And temperatures right where they should be for late January with mid-50s. Birmingham 56, 55 in Anniston. Tomorrow a chance we see low 60s, but not as warm as the weather west of here. To the west, we have temperatures today near 80 for Dallas-Fort Worth and Oklahoma City. Again, low 60s here tomorrow. Then we cool back down on Friday and Saturday with highs going back in the 50s. Here's a watch warning map. Pretty quiet around the nation. A little scattered issues from place to place, but no major storminess. Overall rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting about 1 inch. This is valid through Monday evening, and of course the bulk of that will be on Sunday, although we still have questions about that event. Let's take a look at the latest GFS run. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 12 noon at 500 millibars. And you can see that little energy passing north of the state, a little clipper-type feature. Down below that, there is a surface reflection near Detroit where they'll see some snow up there. Down our way, clouds will increase. Probably some filtered sunshine during the day. This is 9 o'clock tomorrow night, and you can see the high-res NAM suggesting a batch of showers along a cold front. And again, rain amounts are going to be very light, very spotty. Just a few raindrops are possible tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. No big deal. And then on Friday, where you're dry and cooler, the high will drop into the low 50s. Sky should be bright and sunny. Saturday, as the weekend begins, looks pretty good. Saturday morning will be cold with upper 20s, but the high should be in the low to mid-50s. We'll start the day with sun. Clouds probably increasing late in the day, and you can see our next storm to the west. And this is Sunday. And we've got two distinct segments to look at here. The southern branch with the system hanging back over the Gulf of California, and the northern branch, that trough is coming out across the Great Lakes. Now, curiously, this run is much drier than recent runs. This is Sunday at noon. And this is probably an anomaly. I would imagine on the next run, the 18Z run, the OZ run, we'll see the rain back. But this is suggesting rain on Sunday. It would not be all day and maybe not all that heavy. With the snow likely well to the north from basically Louisville north. Places like Cincinnati and Indianapolis could see some decent snow on Sunday. We're still going to mention a good chance of rain and possibly some thunder. Other runs have shown a pretty good surface low deepening and passing north of the state. No severe weather, but a good chance of rain at times and possibly some thunder. And then Monday at 6 o'clock, everything is over. And again, there could be a few snow flurries, maybe Monday morning, early Monday, over the northern third of the state with no impact if we see that. And this is midday Monday, the larger scale look, and you can see it's a cooler, drier air mass settling in here. And high is probably mid to upper 40s. It'll be a chilly day. We've seen other runs that are colder than this. But the bottom line is most of Monday looking cold and dry. And this is Tuesday. I'd say the low around 30, the high around 50. The day will be dry. And a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 4th of February. You can see that southern stream system is lifting out, and in response to that, the weather turns wet again. This is showing a surface low that's over South Mississippi, and that looks like a pretty good rain event, just rain. And again, the snow way north of here over parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Let's go out there toward the end of next week. Now, this is a curious look. This is Friday, the 6th of February, and this is suggesting a snow event for the southern half of the state. Come on now. And we all know this will vanish on the next run. There's no need to get worked up about this. And then on the 7th, the end of the forecast on Saturday the 7th, surface low is off the eastern seaboard. We are cold, and precipitation is east of the state. Again, I know you see some snow painted through here. There's no skill, obviously, in something beyond 7 days, and at this point, it's just something to watch for trends. Temperatures for the next 7 days, colder than average. You can see one pretty good cold shot coming in early next week on Monday, another colder shot toward the end of next week. Arctic oscillation goes negative next week, and the NAO goes negative. So kind of cold and unsettled. It might be an interesting pattern to watch for the next few weeks. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.